Surya Namaskar, also known as Sun Salutation, is one of the most powerful yogic practices. It is a complete workout that energizes the body, calms the mind, and balances the soul. Practicing Surya Namaskar daily can transform your physical and mental health. What is Surya Namaskar? Surya Namaskar is a sequence of 12 yoga postures performed in a smooth flow. Each posture synchronizes movement with breath, activating every part of the body. It is suitable for all age groups when practiced correctly, improves physical strength and flexibility. Daily Surya Namaskar strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, and tones the entire body. It stretches the spine, legs, arms, and core, helping improve posture and balance. With regular practice, the body becomes more active and energetic. Boosts digestion and metabolism. Surya Namaskar stimulates digestive organs and improves metabolism. It helps in better digestion, weight management, and removal of toxins from the body. Practicing it in the morning enhances gut health naturally, improves mental health and focus. This practice reduces stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. By combining breath and movement, Surya Namaskar improves focus and mental clarity. It helps maintain emotional balance throughout the day. Strengthens heart and immunity. Surya Namaskar improves blood circulation and supports heart health. It strengthens the immune system and increases lung capacity. Regular practice keeps the body resilient and healthy. Spiritual and energy benefits. Practicing Surya Namaskar connects you with solar energy. It awakens inner strength, discipline, and positivity. This practice brings harmony between body, mind, and spirit. Closing message. Start with a few rounds and increase gradually. Practice daily with awareness and gratitude. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content.